Today we're going to look at restoring your window frames. It's an important part of every window restoration. I start with a Pro Scraper vacuum scraper attached to a HEPA vacuum. Festool is my favorite. Make sure you've got a good P100 or N100 mask, and then go right ahead and start scraping without gouging the wood as much as possible. You don't have to get every ounce of paint off, and it takes a lot of effort, but getting all the loose stuff and built up paint and caulk off is important. You use a sharp chisel in the corners to get those cleaned up, with the vacuum nearby, of course. And then you want to dig out any rotten wood. Get down to sound wood again. That's going to need some filling. So I use Abitron's liquid wood, 2-part epoxy. Put the primer on here, and then you use the wood filler here, the wood epox. 2 parts, everything's mixed 50-50, and it's easy to apply. Press it into the gouges really well. You want to overfill your joints, and then come back and smooth out the edges. Then once it's all cured, you want to come through and sand everything smooth, make sure it's nice and clean, and come back with an oil-based primer. After the primer dries, you can put your choice of paint on, and you're ready to go. You'll find links to all the products mentioned in the video, as well as my best-selling book on window restoration in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll subscribe for more juicy restoration tips in the future to help you DIY better.